So today we are going to make Andhra style mutton fry. Here are the ingredients which we are going to use for the recipe for today. Some of the ingredients in the video description box. Here I have added all the ingredients of masala and quenched it. You can see the list of these under masala ingredients. Let's start making a recipe for today. Wash your mutton pieces and pat dry. Add ginger garlic paste to it, some chilli powder, cumin powder as well as coriander powder and some salt. You can get the list of the same to marination. Coat the mutton pieces well. After coating the mutton pieces well, let it sit for 15 minutes. Take a pressure cooker, add mutton pieces. Close the cooker and turn on the flame on low medium heat. And let's wait for 5 whistles. Take a pan. Once the oil is hot, add our grinded masala and our green chilli and curry leaves. And let it fry for a couple of minutes. Add onions and let it fry till onions start becoming translucent. Now add the contents of the cooker into it. Now sprinkle the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric and red chilli powder as well as some salt. Give it a good mix. Now let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Now sprinkle garam masala powder. Add some fresh coriander leaves. Give it a good mix and switch off the flame. Now we'll transfer the dish to the serving bowl. Here we have transferred our dish to the serving plate. If you like the recipe, then please do like our video and also please share it. And we'll see you again very soon with a new dish, with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night.